Good morning, students. How are you? Today we are going to start the second part of the chapter electric circuit, right? Okay. And in previous video, I told you to draw the circuit diagram, and this is the circuit diagram. I told you in this diagram you can adjust this switch and this cell and this third component bulb anywhere in the circuit, है ना? Okay. Can you tell me which type of circuit is this? This is open or closed? Yes, it is a open circuit. This circuit is called open circuit because the switch is not in on position. This is an off position. That's why in this circuit the electric current will not flow, and this is called a open circuit, right? Okay, and this one is a closed circuit because this is a circuit in which electricity is flowing and bulb is glowing, है ना? This is an intact, or we can say closed circuit, right? So in closed circuit electricity will flow, and in open circuit electricity will not flow. That is, open circuit means it is interrupted anywhere, somewhere in the it may be from here, or maybe the cell battery is down, है ना? Anything may happen. Okay, now one question is for you. If the filament of the bulb is broken, would the circuit be complete? Then obviously no, circuit will not be complete. Would the bulb still glow? No. Now see here. Now suppose this circuit, है ना? You can see this is a closed circuit. Everything is okay, bulb is glowing. Now if this filament in the bulb is broken, अगर ये यहाँ पे टूट जाता है, then what will happen? Then obviously अब ये जो circuit है वो interrupted type का circuit हो गया, क्योंकि यहाँ से ये टूट गया है. Now this is a open circuit, not the closed circuit, है ना? कहीं पे ये टूट गया है, it means now the electricity will not flow. When all the things in the circuit are intact, जब सब कुछ जुड़ा हुआ होगा, then only the electricity will flow in the circuit and the bulb will glow, or any of the apparatus which is attached to here that will work. Okay, now next topic is effects of electric currents. Electric current. Okay, effect of electric current, there are two effects. First is called heating effect, right? Heating effect. And second is called magnetic effect. Second is called magnetic effect, right? First is heating effect, and the second one is the magnetic effect. Heating effect means when the electricity flow in a circuit, or in a circuit, then heating heating takes place. And magnetic effect means when electricity flow through a circuit, then it cause a magnetic field around it, right? So these are the two effects. Then we will discuss one by one. The first is the heating effect of the electric current. Now see, this is an activity. Take an electric cell, bulb, switch, connecting wire, and make a circuit. This activity has been done using only one cell. Keep the switch in off position. Does the bulb glow? Obviously it will not glow. And touch the bulb also, obviously it will be at normal temperature, room temperature पे जैसी हर चीज होती है ऐसी bulb भी होगा. Now when you turn it in on position, then in on position what will happen? The after some time the bulb will become hot, and when you touch the bulb then it will become hot. Then it proves that when the electricity will flow through a circuit or through a apparatus, then heating effect, or we can say heat is generated, है ना? This is called heating effect of electric current. Okay, now see one more activity. Make a circuit as shown in the figure. Take about 10 centimeter long piece of the nichrome wire, है ना? This is nichrome. Which type of the wire you have to take? Nichrome wire. Untie it between between the nails. You can get nichrome wire from the electric repair shop, or you can use the piece of the discarded coil of the electric heater. Touch the wire. Now switch on the current in the circuit by moving the switch in the on position. Okay, then see it again. You know this is a heater, है ना? मुझे लगता है कि तुम्हारे घरों में भी होगा या तुमने देखा होगा. इस इलेक्ट्रिक में यहाँ पर ये जो ये लाइंस आपको डिज़ाइन दिख रही है, इनके बीच में क्या होता है, कॉइलिंग इज देयर, है ना? इस टाइप का एक वायर होता है जो कि ऐसे करके ऐसे करके ऐसे करके इस जगह पे घुमा हुआ होता है. इस डिज़ाइन पे ऐसा वायर जो है वो कॉइलिंग, दिस इज कॉल्ड कॉइलिंग, है ना? ऐसा वायर जो है पूरे में घुमा रहता है. ये जो पूरी डिज़ाइन दिख रही है सब में होता है. दिस इज इंटैक्ट. यहाँ से शुरू होगा तो ये पूरे में घूम के यहीं पे खत्म होता है, राइट? नाउ दिस वायर इज मेड अप ऑफ नाइक्रोम. जिस मेटल का ये होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड नाइक्रोम. ठीक है, इट इज रिटन हेयर आल्सो, नाइक्रोम. वट यू हैव टू डू, पुराना कोई हीटर है तो उसमें से आप नाइक्रोम का वायर निकाल लीजिए. दैन यू हैव टू अरेंज इट लाइक दिस. यू हैव टू टेक 2 nails एंड दिस इज द सेल. यहाँ पे आपने सेल जोड़ा, ये आपने स्विच अरेंज कर लिया. दैन दिस वायर इज ऑफ नाइक्रोम. कैसा वायर है ये? नाइक्रोम वायर है ना? नाइक्रोम वायर. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू स्विच. ये तो ऑफ कंडीशन है, देन आप इसको ऑन कर लीजिए, राइट? नाउ द सर्किट इज कंप्लीट. एंड इन द ऑफ कंडीशन, जब ये ऑफ कंडीशन है तो ये वायर टच करना है आपको एक बार. then it will be at the normal temperature, room temperature. now switch को आप ऑन कंडीशन में ले आइए, ठीक है? एंड let the electricity flow through the circuit and wait for 2 or 3 minutes. now again touch the wire, है ना? you can touch it because this is a very low volt battery, है ना? ये जो आपने सेल यूज किया है इसका पावर कम है, तो you can touch this wire. then what will happen, this will be hot, this will become hot, है ना? ये गर्म हो जाता है. तो it means when the electricity flow through a circuit then it cause the heat, है ना? तो समझ में आ रहा होगा कि it cause heat. This is called the heating effect of electric current. Okay, what precaution is given to you? Do not keep the switch in on position for a long time, otherwise the cell may become weak very quickly. Yes, obviously, because nichrome wire में बहुत जल्दी heating cause हो जाती है, तो obviously cell भी जल्दी से use up हो जाएगा. That's why you have to switch off, then again switch off the circuit, है ना? आपको switch को off कर देना है. Okay, then see, इसने क्या किया है, फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम डोंट होल्ड इट, अदरवाइज व्हाट विल हैपन, ये ज़्यादा गर्म हो जाता है तो आपको प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. टच द वायर अगेन आफ्टर अ फ्यू मिनट. ओके, सो अगेन व्हेन यू स्विच इट ऑफ, है ना? ये गर्म हो चुका है. अब आपने दोबारा से जब स्विच बंद करोगे तो क्या होगा, आफ्टर सम टाइम अगेन इट विल बिकम कोल्ड. कोल्ड मतलब एट द रूम टेम्परेचर इट विल कम, राइट? so it shows that when the current pass through a circuit then the heat is caused. This is called heating effect of the current. In this also, in heater, the same nichrome wire is there and this nichrome wire heats very fast, and when you connect this heater to the heater to the circuit, or we can say जहाँ भी आपका plug है आप उस पे लगाते हो, then it becomes very soon it becomes hot, है ना? ये red hot हो जाता है and gives the heat as main purpose is heat, and साथ में ये light भी दे देता है ना? Okay, now see, this is coiling of wire is called element. What word you will use for this coiling of the heater और जो भी wire है जिस apparatus में भी ये लगा है, this coiling is called element, right? This is called element. Same type of the element is also found in the ये तुम्हारा iron में भी होता है ना? Now see, you may have noticed that when these appliances are switched on, then after some time what happens, it become red hot and gives the heat and light. Okay, then see the electric iron also. In electric iron also the same thing is inside. ये दिख रहा है ना इस स्ट्रक्चर, इस स्ट्रक्चर में फिर से क्या है, आपकी coiling है. सेम टाइप ऑफ द coiling, ये जो पूरी coiling है वो आपकी ऐसे ऐसे करके घूमी रहती है. एंड व्हेन यू कनेक्ट दिस आयरन टू द स्विच, है ना, जब आप इसको सॉकेट में लगाते हो, then what happens, when the circuit completes then it becomes hot, और आप आराम से आयरन करते हो कपड़ों पे, है ना. ओके, ठीक है. तो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द इलेक्ट्रिक and so many other appliances are also there, you know. One more is, see this one also, glowing filament in the electric bulb. How bulb glows? Then what happened in the bulb? You can see the figure. This is a filament. This one is filament. When electricity flows through this circuit, है ना, पूरा इसके अंदर से होके जब बहती है तो क्या होता है? Then this become hot. It becomes red hot. Red hot हो जाता है और ये क्या करता है? Glow करता है. And due to the glowing filament, light is caused. है ना? Okay. And this filament which is in the bulb, this is somehow different from the which is in the that of the क्या in the that heater and the iron. उनसे थोड़ा अलग होता है. कैसे? Actually, what happens when current flows through a metallic wire? The wire offers some resistance to flow the electrons. And during this process, electrical energy transforms into the heat energy. Na? Electrical energy, this transforms into the heat energy. And the heat produced depend on the amount of the resistance offered by the wire. Copper wire gently offers very less resistance and does not get heat. That's why all the copper, all the wiring of the house, जो भी आपके घरों की वायरिंग है वो किसकी बनी थी? कॉपर की, क्योंकि जल्दी गर्म नहीं होता है ना. ये बहुत कम रेजिस्टेंस शो करता है, राइट. And on the other hand, the thin wire of the tungsten or nichrome offers very high resistance and gets heated very quickly. And this is the reason why the tungsten wire used in the filament of bulb. The wire which is used here, that is the tungsten, है ना. And in the heater में कौन सा था? That was the nichrome, है ना. Sometime questions come कि heater में for the heating purpose the metal which is used, that is the nichrome, and for the light purpose, है ना, bulb तो light के लिए होता है, तो light के लिए कौन सा use होता है? tungsten. It will also create the heat, but light ज़्यादा heat कम होगी इसमें. But इसमें nichrome में what will happen? It will create heat, more heat, right. Okay. Next is when the bulb is switched on, the current flows through the filament and it gets heat up and glows, right. Okay, sometimes the appliances such as the electric heater, है ना, electric heater, you know, and electric immersion rod which is used to for the water को गर्म करने के लिए जो काम में आती है. And next is toaster, है ना, toaster, है ना, water heater, and electric iron. They also use the property of heating due to the electric current. ठीक है, तो they all work on the heating effect of the electricity. क्या क्या? One may be the toaster, second may be the immersion rod, right, and third it may be the iron. ठीक है, these all these work on the heating effect of the electric current. Getting? Okay, now next is, now see what is here. Incandescent electric bulb are often used very lightning, but they also gives the heat. It means that a part of the electricity is consumed at heat. Actually bulb are used for the light, not for heat. कभी भी कोई bulb है तो किस purpose से use होता है? Light देने के purpose से होता है. But अगर साथ में ये light के साथ में heat भी दे रहा है, which is not required, heat required नहीं है, but ये heat भी create करता है ना. ये जो पुराने टाइप के बल्ब हुआ करते थे ना, वो क्या करता है? हीट भी काफी कॉज करते हैं. तो इन जनरेशन ऑफ द हीट अ लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी इज वेस्टेड बिकॉज वी नीड ओनली द लाइट. लाइट के साथ में हीट भी अगर प्रोड्यूस हो रही है तो हीट प्रोड्यूस करने में भी एनर्जी लगेगी ना, तो इट इज द वेस्टेज ऑफ एनर्जी, है ना. मोर इलेक्ट्रिक पावर इज यूज बाय दिस टाइप ऑफ द बल्ब. Then this is not desirable as it result in the wastage of the electricity. The fluorescent tube lights and the compact fluorescent lamp, CFL, है ना. We know LEDs and CFL आजकल हम यूज करते हैं. These are they consume less electricity because heat produce नहीं करते हैं वो, है ना. These are the better electricity efficient lighting sources. Nowadays, the use of the light emitting diode, LEDs, the full form is light emitting diode. Getting? And what was the full form of CFL? CFL is compact fluorescent lamp. है ना? These two are used nowadays. They consume the less electricity as compared to the previous type of the bulb. जो पहले हमारे बल्ब चला करते थे ना, जो इस टाइप के आपके ऐसे वाले जो बल्ब चलते थे, उनको कहते हैं incandescent electric bulb. उनके comparison में these two consume less electric energy, less electric power. Thus LED bulb are more efficient, electricity efficient, therefore being preferred. It is advised to use electrical appliances and the gadgets which are electricity efficient. Bureau of Indian Standard, है ना, ISI का मार्क लगा रहता है हर चीज में, देखा होगा तुमने. this is this mark is given by Bureau of Indian Standard, and New Delhi assign a standard mark on the product that is called ISI, है ना. This sign you can see on various product, which is an insurance of conformity of the uh, specification given on the products. It is therefore suggested to use SI mark products. Right. Okay, fluorescence tube and the CFL contain mercury vapors in it, है ना. You have to see what is inside. Mercury vapors are filled in the CFL and fluorescence tube. That's why, and you know, mercury is always toxic in nature. Therefore, whenever these fluorescence tube and CFL they destroy, है ना, अगर वो खराब हो जाती हैं, they are damaged, then please you have to destroy is very carefully, dispose of safely. You have to dispose them safely because they contain the mercury vapors in it. Okay, getting? Okay, thanks for listening me.